Elevate your look with red lipstick shades for women of color. Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and join the tribe. Subscribe to the tribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss not one moment of everything we have to offer here on the Daniel Taylor YouTube channel. Today we have something special for all of the gorgeous women of color out there. We are going to discover the world of red lipsticks and gorgeous shades. I mean, the color that's perfect for your unique shade. From my beautiful fair skin tone to the paper sack brown and those caramel coated to the deep sultry dark skin tones, I have a shade just for you. If you're intrigued and you want to elevate your look with the perfect red shade for fall and the holiday season, stay tuned. And again, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Let's dive right in. For starters, a red lip, it has the power to transform your complete look. There was a time where I thought red was not for us necessarily. It always had like a bad connotation. If you are a 70s baby, you already know what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna even get into it. But a red lip, yeah, you need it in your collection. And I'm here to help you find the perfect shade. The perfect shade to elevate your holiday and your fall looks. They will make you feel radiant and confident, no doubt about it. Whether you have a deep ebony skin tone, or you are a warm caramel, or you are a rich olive skin tone, I have a shade for you. I have a shade for all of us. A red lip is timeless, bold, and a symbol of power and confidence. It's a makeup that's essential for every woman, but finding the perfect shade that suits your skin tone, that is a game changer. A red lip, although bold and confident, has the ability to stain our lips. Whether it's a cream, a gloss, a matte or semi-matte, you want to make sure that there's no cracks in your lipstick and it goes on smoothly. So first we want to make sure that we moisturize our lips. So we're going to start with a moisturizer. My moisturizer of choice is the Coco Chanel Lip Balm, and it is very hydrating and I love it. I sometimes just wear it by itself because, you know, I just sometimes don't wear lipstick. I just put on like a gloss or something like that. But this is awesome, and if you want it in your collection, before you run out and get it, you will be sticker shocked because it does come at a higher price point, but I love it. You can always use your favorite lip balm, chapstick, or lip oil prior to utilizing any of the red shades that we're going to present to you today. All the lip colors shared today will be linked below in the description box. First up, we have Revlon's Vampire Love paired with NYX Cola Lip Pencil. This classy, iconic, deep, rich red is perfect for those deeper skin tones. It's a showstopper for sure, giving you an elegant, sophisticated look. It's super vibrant, lush, hydrating, at a great price point, and perfect for the holiday. Following Vampire Love, let's all take a moment and pause and fawn over the Fenty Beauty H.B.I.C lip shade. This shade was worn by Miss Reeeed herself during Super Bowl 57's halftime show. I am pairing it with the Kat Von D Vampire Lip Liner. This high pack intense velvet shade is a showstopper on any shade. It's all in the name for me. H.B.I.C. It's all in the name. There is no reason why any woman of color shouldn't have this shade in their collection. Let's talk about how smooth the Kat Von D Vampire Lip Liner goes on though. I am in love and I am obsessed with it. I mean, it will go with any red shade, but the way it pairs with the H.B.I.C, you definitely need to get it. It goes on matte and dries down to the softest, velvety anything that I've ever had on my lips. Now let's talk about the Ruby Kisses Ruby Who Cream Lip Color. I believe that this is a knockoff to the MAC Ruby Woo. Yeah, the MAC Ruby Woo. This vibrant and cool red is fantastic for my fair skin to medium skin tones. It adds a pop of color that brightens up your entire face. The best thing about a red shade with a cool undertone is how it makes your teeth look. It makes your teeth look white. I mean porcelain white. So before you wear it, if you do crest white strips, that's a good idea because it's a great shade for fair to medium skin tones. If you have a cool undertone, Ruby Who, that's your match. This blue tone red brings out the beauty in your skin tone definitely, and it gives you the most classic and timeless look that you could probably ever achieve. I love seeing a fair toned young lady with a beautiful red lip. You will thank me later. That's all I have to say, just thank me later. So for all my fair skin beauties, Ruby Who, that is a stunning option for you to add to your collection. It's bright, it's cheerful, it's red, it warms up the vibrancy in your look. You can't go wrong. So, Christmas, Valentine's Day, that's your shade. And remember, when you have it on, it brightens your smile. So all you're gonna do is smile, smile, and smile. Now, I need all my risk takers to the front. Come on, come on. We're gonna wait. Step forward. I mean, get close to your phone, get close to your laptop, your television if you're streaming on your television. I don't care what you're looking at. Just come right here. Come right here. Come close. Come close. Now, since you're here, pay very close attention. ColourPop Risk Taker. That is the shade. Why am I so dramatic? Why am I so dramatic? I don't know. But when I saw this one, I said, yeah, I have to show this one. Somebody other than me has to know about this ColourPop shade called Risk Taker. Risk Taker will be paired with the Maybelline Brick Red Lip Liner. You all, just look. I'm gonna just be quiet. Just look. Just look. I'm gonna be quiet. And then y'all tell me what y'all think this color is for. I'm gonna be quiet. The name and the maker says it all. The transfer and the pigment, it's phenomenal. You barely have to put any on. I love it. This super comfy, high pigmented liquid lip color dries down gorgeous. Gorgeous. I just can't say enough about it. Again, all my fair skin to medium tone, that means from the Halle Berry's to the, I don't know, who's caramel? I'm sorry, from the Halle Berry to Roger P. Henson's. I mean, caramel colored, warm tones. This is your Christmas shade. This is your Valentine's shade. Yeah. I'm going to need you to make a statement. Make a statement. Make a bold statement with your lip color this holiday season. Get it. Get it today. On your way home from work. On your way home from church. On your way home from your boo. On your way home picking up the grandkids. On your way home from school. Get ColourPop. Okay? Did you hear what I said? Get the ColourPop risk taker for Christmas. Okay? Thank me later. Next up, we have a bold red from Juvia's Place. This bold red is called Africa. It's from Juvia's Place's Very Berry lip collection, if you're familiar. This velvety, dark, sultry matte shade, it works for every shade. Every shade, every woman of color. Anybody can wear this because it's gorgeous. Yes, anybody can wear it. But if I'm completely honest, y'all want to be, y'all here because y'all want me to be honest, right? And want me to be 100% transparent. I think this look better on deeper skin tones. Yeah, maybe a deep caramel or my deep skin tones. I think Africa's y'all color. I really do. My ebonies, yeah. Y'all got this one. Y'all win with this one. Also, if you're going to wear it, this is for anybody, not just my deep tones. This lip goes with a bold eye. It has to go with a bold eye color. Some of the shades, typically you wear red with like a nude. Africa, go hard or go home. Okay? Because this shade is one of those shades where your face card better not decline. This shade, for me, when I look at it, I just feel like it exudes confidence, sexy, mystery. I just like it. Just let me leave it at that. I just like it. What do you think? What do you guys think about it? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. All of them. Let me know. This has been so much fun. We're on our last shade because I know you guys are wondering, she didn't do a red orange. What about the rest of us? What about us in-betweens? I got y'all too. I have a red orange just for you. Are you a warm tone? And you're thinking that I forgot about you? I didn't. I got y'all too. I have a red orange. And guess what it's called? Lady Danger. If you are a warm tone, maybe some olives. Yep. MAC Lady Danger is going to be a shade for you. I can also wear it. We can all wear it because it's fall. You going somewhere for Halloween, going to a party, but you just want to be jazzy, you want to wear a costume, this red orange is going to be the shade you need in your collection because it is definitely a fall shade. This red orange, it's fierce. It's being paired with the NYX brown liner. Not sure the name because the name is rubbed off, but it's a warm-ish brown, maybe like a reddish brown, and it'll go well underneath the red orange. What I tend to do with this one is I won't just line my lips. I'll put it all over my lip to bring down the orange that's in the red orange. And again, it is the Lady Danger by MAC. You know, there's a trick to pouty lips. If you don't have pouty lips, overline your lips just a tad. Not so much where you look clownish, but just a tad to give you that pout that so many of us love. And remember, makeup is about expression. Expressing your unique beauty. There is no one size fit all or one color fits all. Just do what fits your style and your mood. Those are all the shades that I have to share with you today. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments section. So, whether you are attending a special event, a day at the office, your everyday casual, bouncing around town, don't be afraid to rock a red lip. Something that is unique to you and your individuality. Embrace your beauty. Be bold. Let your confidence shine through with the perfect red lip color. Thank you for joining me today on this exploration of red lipsticks for women of color. Get in the comments and let me know which one was your favorite. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay tuned to the Danielle Taylor YouTube channel. See you next time.